I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring you a clean and decorate with me, and of course it is Valentine's coming up, and so I wanted to bring some type of Valentine's decor into my bedroom. So first I'm going to start off with making my bed and get everything straightened and cleaned up, and then we're going to move to the decorating.
I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do.
Of course, there's always clothes to be folded, and so in the middle of me folding, I realized that I really wanted some coffee, so I got up and got me a cup of coffee, and then I came back to the folding.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way.
So my suitcase pretty much stays out because I live an hour from my job, and so on Wednesdays I actually stay in town, so I don't have to travel that hour in the morning. And so every Tuesday night I'm always getting it ready for the Wednesday, and then usually the weekend I'm repacking or unpacking and then repacking again for that Tuesday.
We both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't.
So now I'm getting ready to vacuum my rug, and I wanted to do kind of a slow vacuum. So you might not can tell, but I am doing a slow vacuum on this rug just so I can make sure I'm getting everything up.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy.
And I just love this little doll bed. I got it from TJ Maxx, and Cooper, my dog, loves it. Like, he sleeps in it all the time. So such a good purchase, and I just want to give it a good vacuum as well.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins.
So I hope you all are enjoying this video today. I wanted to bring in some Valentine's, so I actually made sure I picked songs that had either the word love in it or it was some type of love song, just to kind of set the tone for the video. But I hope you're enjoying it. But I also wanted to remind you, if you're not already following me on Instagram, you can follow me. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19, and I try to post on there daily. If not, I do post on there way more than I do on YouTube, and so if you just want to keep up with my everyday life, that would be a great place to do that. So now I'm just pulling out everything that I think I want to use in my bedroom. I'm just going to put it out on my dresser just so it'll be easier to kind of find it and pick from it from there. So I just wanted to lay it all out, and so you're getting to see it all right now. Again, some of these things I did not get to use, and so I just put it back in my closet or wherever I keep my decor.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Could it be that I'm like
So now I just wanted to try out this no-slip rug underlay, and I actually got it from the Dollar Tree, and I think it was a great purchase. But for my rug, I think I should have gotten 2 of them, so I'm going to go back and get another one so I can put one on each side.
how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did.
So now I am all done, and you're getting to see the room all clean and all decorated, and I am in love with it. And of course, if you know me, you know that I've always add things. I may take things away with just whatever I buy in stores. I may come back and add some more things. So if you want to keep up with that, the best way is to follow my Instagram, which is the Life of Courtney 19. And another way would be to subscribe to my channel, because you'll get to see my uploads and you'll see all the changes there as well. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything, make sure you leave me a comment and I will get back with you. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.